The people have spoken, and I have heard you.
You're probably wondering what I'm talking about. Well, I did go back and I reread all the comments that were said. Very few comments, but anyway, the ones that were said about the motor for, or the little starter motor right here for the Honda Foreman 400 engine. Yeah. Anyway, tore this thing down, and you guys did say that it is salvageable. I agree.
Which is exactly why
I went and I got a rebuild kit for this little starter motor. So we're gonna be rebuilding it right now. So in this little box is a dime bag full of goodies. So I guess first things first, crack this little guy open. Keep in mind, I've never done this before. So we're winging it right now. Yeah. And we just go bink. Alright, so there's a seal inside here. So I'll be popping that off. It looks like there's a bearing in there as well. And this new kit looks like it does come with a new seal, so I'm going to be replacing this one with the new one, and the O-ring on the outside, I'll be replacing that as well. Now, to remember where everything goes, and in the order of which they come out, I will do my best to make a mess. That's not right. I will do my best to keep it clean. That's a strong magnet. Pow! And then there's other ones down there. I need to keep this clean. We're using microfiber. Try that. Try. No promises. Let's just set this over here, out of the way. And then another washer goes in the bottom of that. I don't think anything else is there. And we just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And that pops right off, like so. I'm just gonna set this right over here. And then we're down to this, which I know you guys can't see. Okay. I'm kind of seeing how everything is. I really don't think I can screw this up any more than it already is. Pry up a smidge, pull this straight up, and obviously that wire connects to that. That was a ground wire, if I'm not mistaken. Or is that? Oh, that's a ground wire. That's a positive wire. Right. So we're just gonna lay that over there. And then I gotta get this other stud out of here. Man, I was having trouble getting that out. So let me pause this real quick. Let me get this stud out. What I'm talking about, or this post. I gotta get this post out of here. So let me pop this out of here. So I'm gonna pause you guys, and I'll be right back whenever I get this out, because I have a feeling I'm gonna have trouble with this. So I took the air compressor over there and I blasted all that out, so all the old debris that was in here is now pretty much cleared. There's nothing left in here. So let's focus on getting that post off. And I'll tell you what, oh, and the little kit that I bought was only $8. So if I can get this to work, I will have saved myself, and like a new starter is like 40 or 50 bucks. So I'm basically saving myself like $32, something like that, if my math is right. All right, so let's see if I can get this thing off of here. I don't know if it's gonna work. This thing's probably gonna fight me the whole way. Stay put. I think it was a 10? No. Yeah. 10 millimeter. Yeah, I love that. Almost everything on here is 10 millimeter. Alright, let's see if I can stop this thing from turning. I doubt that it's gonna work, but it's worth a shot. Okay, and then we loosen, hopefully. That did not go according to plan. So we are plan B. All right, so we're gonna try vice grips and a 10. See if I can get that off of there. I don't know if it's gonna work. I doubt it. If so, if this does not work, then plan B. And plan B usually always works. I don't want to have to go to plan C. That's when it gets ugly. Just saying. It can't, let's just put it this way. It can't be tight if it's liquid, okay? If you know, you know. So, let's try this. Come on. Come on. Cooperate. Did it work? Did it work? Please say it works. Please tell me it worked. Did it work? Did plan A finally frickin' work? What? No. It did. How? How did I get so lucky on that one? Oh, that one's just shot. Wow. Okay. Okay, now I just gotta get this here. Wow. That never works for me. You wanna know how much it never works for me? Look at this shit. I already had plan B prepared. Oh yeah, I was gonna get ugly with it. And then plan C, if that didn't work, which I doubt, that's never gonna work, because that usually is like awesome. Plan C, yeah, torch. It's my favorite toy in the whole shop. Wow, these are just shot, man. Okay, so we're gonna pull all this stuff off of here. All these washers, I don't think they need to be on there. And it looks like Napa has finally arrived. I'll be right back. All right, so just get this post out. Just tap it back in. Looks like there's rubber grommets that hold it in place. So I'll have to pay close attention to the kit whenever I go to assemble it. Looks like there's another bearing, I guess, in here. I don't know what that is, but we will be looking at that. All right. There's a lot of stuff in here. Frankly, I don't know where all this goes, But based on what I just saw, how I tore everything apart, I think I can reverse everything I just took apart. I should be able to. Should. No guarantees. Alright, these two, I know where they go. There's your post. Another gasket. I don't know where that goes. I didn't see any others. Everything in here was just a metal washer. But this will go inside here. But there was that rubber grommet that goes around it. Yeah. Okay. Give me a second. Let me put all this stuff together, and I will tell you guys what I did. All right. For some reason, there's a piece that's inside here. It looks like this, and it's down in the very center. It doesn't want to come out. So let's see if I can persuade it. We'll warm it up a little bit. See that little sucker comes out. Nope, not yet. Should work. Come on. Get out of your home. You must come out. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen. It relaxes enough so it'll come out. Come on. Get out of there. Hey! There it goes. And just like that, I win. Now if I can find out where it went so it doesn't catch everything on fire, it'd be great. Yeah. Right there. Look at that. That's what I was talking about. Hey, whoa, don't touch my hand. Yeah, it's this little thing right here. So, well, I'm gonna wait for this to cool down, and I'll pick up on this video tomorrow. Now it's a little bit hot. All my parts have arrived, so I will see you guys tomorrow for this video. The conclusion of the Honda Starter.